In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a document from your Microsoft Word file. This process is straightforward, but navigating through all the printer options available can sometimes feel like an overwhelming task, especially if you're not familiar with what each setting does. So let's break it down together step by step, making sure you're able to print with confidence every time. First, you'll need to have your document open in Microsoft Word. If you're working on something important, it's always a good idea to save your work before moving on, just in case anything unexpected happens. Once your document is open and ready to print, you'll use a handy shortcut. Simply press Ctrl and P keys on your keyboard simultaneously. This shortcut is a quick way to bring up the Print Options dialog without having to sift through the application's menu bar. It's a real time saver whether you're working with a simple or more complex document. When you press Ctrl plus P, you'll see a new window appear. This is where you can select your printer if your computer is connected to more than one. Make sure the right printer is selected to ensure your document prints where you want it to. You'll also notice options for selecting the number of copies you'd like to print. Whether you need just one copy or several, you can adjust this here. As you continue exploring the print dialog, you'll come across settings for choosing which pages of your document you'd like to print. By default, it's set to print all pages, but if you have a lengthy document and you only need to print specific pages, you can enter those page numbers manually. This is particularly useful for printing select chapters or sections without needing to print the entire document. Next, you have options for print formatting. You can decide whether you want your document printed as one-sided or double-sided if your printer supports duplex printing. You'll also see options to collate your pages if you're printing multiple copies, which means sorting them into sets. Additionally, you can choose between portrait or landscape orientation depending on how you want the content to be laid out on the page. Further customization options include adjusting the paper size and margins. These settings allow you to optimize how your content appears on the printed page, ensuring that none of your important information is cut off at the edges. It's worth spending a moment here to make sure these settings align with your document's requirements. Once you've checked over all your settings and are satisfied, it's time to print. Simply hit the Print button and your document will be sent to the printer. Wait a moment, and soon you'll be holding your freshly printed pages in your hands. And that's it. You've successfully printed your document from Microsoft Word. Now you're ready to tackle any printing task with ease, armed with the knowledge to make the most of your printer's capabilities. Thank you for watching and happy printing.